What characteristic of sound is based on frequency? Pitch is the sensation of the frequency of an emitted sound, where higher frequencies result in a higher perceived pitch. In competitive exams, it is important to note that pitch depends strictly on the vibration rate of the source. Quality or timbre depends on the waveform and overtones, allowing us to distinguish between different instruments. Reverberation is the persistence of sound due to multiple reflections in an enclosed space rather than frequency. Timbre is synonymous with quality and describes the complexity of the sound wave rather than its fundamental frequency. What unit is typically used to measure the pitch of a sound? The pitch of a sound is the brain's perception of the frequency of the sound wave, where higher frequencies result in a higher pitch. Frequency is measured in hertz, representing the number of vibrations per second. What term describes sound with a frequency less than 20 Hz? Infrasonic sound refers to frequencies below the human hearing threshold of 20 Hz, often produced by natural phenomena like earthquakes or volcanic eruptions. These low-frequency waves can travel long distances through the earth and are used by some animals for communication. What quality of sound is affected if it is below a certain intensity? Intensity is directly related to the energy of sound waves, and if it falls below the threshold of hearing, the sound becomes faint and difficult to distinguish. In competitive exams, it is important to note that intensity affects the perceived loudness and clarity of the signal rather than its fundamental frequency. Which part of the body is described as having muscles, cords, attached to cartilage that produce sound? The larynx, also known as the voice box, contains vocal cords, muscles, stretched across it that vibrate to produce sound. It is a cartilaginous structure located at the top of the trachea that also protects the lower airways. What is one factor that influences the difference between a low-pitch sound and a high-pitch sound? Pitch is the brain's perception of the frequency of a sound wave, where higher frequencies result in a higher pitch. In physics, the number of vibrations per second determines whether a sound is perceived as shrill or deep. Amplitude determines the loudness or volume of a sound, not its pitch. Intensity refers to the amount of energy passing through a unit area, which relates to the sound's power. Timbre is the quality of a sound that allows us to distinguish between different instruments playing the same note. What causes the vocal cords to vibrate and produce sound? When we speak, the lungs force air through the narrow slit between the vocal cords in the larynx, causing them to vibrate. This vibration produces sound waves that are then shaped by the mouth and tongue into speech. What effect does a higher air temperature, such as in the Rajasthan desert, generally have on the speed of sound? The speed of sound in air is directly proportional to the square root of the absolute temperature of the medium. In hot environments like the Rajasthan desert, air molecules have higher kinetic energy and transmit sound vibrations more quickly. Decreasing the speed of sound occurs in colder temperatures where air density is higher and molecular movement is slower. Temperature is one of the primary physical factors that significantly alters the velocity of sound in a gaseous medium. High temperature does not make sound inaudible. It simply changes the velocity at which the sound waves travel. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Goshen for more.